I have been called out by some of my futures colleagues, and for good reason. I've recently started using a byline with some of the open webinars that I run and the paid workshops, where I talk about futures thinking as a competitive advantage. And that's not a good futures plan. It's not a good way to use futures thinking to be competitive. I know that in certain circumstances, competition is good and healthy. But when we're designing futures, we really want to challenge our existing mindsets to find new ways to think about the future, which means we need to find ways to embrace. In fact, one of the principles that I design all of my futures work on is that the future is co-created. If we as creative, innovative humans, with all of the resources that we have on this planet and in this system, if we cannot find a way to create a plan that embraces and honors all parties, then we failed ourselves. We've created a poorer plan. Any futures plan that is designed for the benefit of one group of people to the exclusion of others is a poor futures plan. So we don't really want to be encouraging and reinforcing the competitive nature. We want to find better ways to work together in harmony with each other, cooperatively, co-creating. In fact, one of the most often requested keynotes of mine is how to be the conscious futurist that the world needs now. And if we're trying to be conscious futurists, we're not looking at ways to beat or overcome or suppress anyone else. So I invite you, if you have any insight into what my byline should be, then please feel free to let me know. We're looking at futures thinking to develop a professional development skill. It's useful in business, in leadership, in parenting, in all the work that we do. Anything that we create is enhanced if we can put that in a perspective of futures thinking. So I'm Charlotte Kemp, Futures Alchemist, which means that we work together, we experiment, we combine different elements, we come up with something new. And if you can help me to find a new term, I would be very grateful. And to anyone who has pointed out the failing of my competitive nature, I thank you for that insight and for that encouragement to each other to keep working to produce better futures plans.